how to turn off biometric unlock in the Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to disable fingerprint or face ID login in the Starbucks app, it's easy. Let me show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as biometric unlock. So you can simply toggle off that option, and on the confirmation message, you can just tap on I am sure button, and after that, your biometric unlock will be disabled. And that's it. That's how you can turn off biometric unlock in the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.